Hi, so I had someone inquire about a lighthouse. Never done a lighthouse before, so we're gonna try one. I've got kind of an idea in mind, and let's see what we end up with. Yeah, so I just had an idea. I was thinking siding, like a modern lighthouse, but I'm thinking we'll put some cross hatches in there, some cross hatches, and it'll be a stone lighthouse. So, and a lot of them were built out of stone back in the old days. So we're gonna make a new top for that. I don't like this one. Yeah, we're gonna make a new one, and hopefully be able to put a light into it. So we're gonna give this a burn. I'm really curious how it's going to turn out with all the hatch marks. And we'll definitely make sure we videotape the burning. See you soon. Alright, so we're going to do a little bit of burning. I usually like to do it at night, but like I said, I'm really looking forward to getting this piece finished. Got a lot of charcoal to take off afterwards, so let's do some burning.